So, there's not a lot of coals there because what's going to happen is the fire or the coals underneath it, they're going to burn. The heat's going to be condensed underneath that area. It's not going to burn as fast as on top. Now we have another issue here. This thing here is called a spider. See how this one has legs? Those little trivets?
Yeah.
This one doesn't, it's flat. So what we'll do is, I have to adjust this.
Cool.
And this starts cooking, by the way. There we go. What'll happen is we'll take this and we'll be able to set it on top. See that? So that allows us to have coals underneath. We stack it. Use less coals when we do it this way.
Neat.
So what we want now is take this off, a little more coal.
Coming from the hill, man.
That's kind of how you make kimchi, right?
God.
We gotta dig a hole and come back 6 months from now. So yeah,
6 months.
absolutely not. So we're gonna want a little bit of coals here. Make sure they're nice and even. If you do not have these coals even, it'll burn in one spot. So you can see I have a bigger piece of wood here.
Can I make a cheap pen afterwards?
Afterwards.
So that's all nice and even. There you go. Oh, need to trim it. I should pay attention.
Yeah, that's right.
Spider trivet.
Then we're gonna use a match to set fire to the coal.
That goes on top. Now,
No,
do you see a problem here?
Yeah,
What's that?
it's round. The top is round.
The top is round, exactly. Large Dutch ovens make, this is one for inside of a house, this one's actually for campfires, it holds the coals. We still need to put coals on top, otherwise, this will all be cooked, the top won't be. I promise you it won't be. So,
Let's experiment, and then we can put it back in.
I'm gonna put coals on here and they're gonna roll off. That's hot.
Amazing.
So this is the best we can have this. This should be ready in about 15 minutes.
Take off your shirt for a job
But-
like that.
But it does not mean you walk away for 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, we're gonna come by, we're gonna knock the coals off, and who had that lifter? We're gonna take that thing and lift the lid off. And we're gonna check. We're also going to use it to rotate the Dutch ovens. Because I have all these coals here. It's not gonna cook evenly. So we have to just rotate them every 15 minutes. So whoever has a timer, 15 minutes, we'll come back and we'll check it, we'll rotate.
I got it.
That's it.
And then,
All right.
can I make a pen?
Talk to me again later, dude.